I put him here because this is a safe house, Angie.
Sir, King is a big man. Me can't tie him down in the house. And the man say him want to check on him business.
And he's out and about. Anybody can see him and finish the job them started.
Well, him out and about. And him kinda disguised.
Kinda disguised. The good thing is a kinda a Rastatam. And darkers.
Sir, him insists on going out.
So who is this shadow?
Whisper.
I'm really concerned that Whisper is being a little overused. And his cover could be blown soon.
Sir, I tell him to observe and report.
So let me get that straight now. If Wild King is on his like a walkabout, them see him and decide to try finish what they started. What is Whisper going to do? Observe and report.
Well,
That's exactly what he's going to fall into, a deep well. Whisper's training includes responsive encounter for... You really expect him to sit there and do nothing if a package is being compromised?
sir, no say that. I'm a right-hand that you know.
But Angie, you're behaving as though your right hand has offended you. And you're actively trying to chop it off. No, I know how much Whisper means to you. You saved his life and you gave him a new one. But you need to be very careful not to unknowingly compromise him. But he has been making some uncharacteristic moves recently.
Sir, I think he's having some issues with his daughter's mother.
So what it feel like? Man, bad flu go around, you know. You just make sure say you stay hydrated and drink enough water.
Yeah, that makes sense. You go, doctor, so you can get some medication. Oh, let me ask you something. You work now? That good for you, man. But they are deal with Destiny uniform, you know. Don't pressure yourself, man. Just get well soon. Yeah, man, we'll do that. Make sure you keep me posted, you know. Alright.
And it's affecting you?
It's not all that bad enough, sir. The last time we spoke, he said they were on civil grounds.
Civil or not, it could be a distraction. And in this business, you slip, you slide, you're gone. One distraction, and you're dead.
What we're gonna do?
We're going to have to pull him from Shadowing King.
Sir, no say that. That are gonna mash up him meds. Worse like how him feel responsible for when the incident happened.
Well, it's a good thing he wasn't there. He would have retaliated. And then his cover would have been blown.
Him just want to make it right.
He'll get a chance. But he can't keep going to Top Hill if it looks like he's Shadowing King. We have to change that little arrangement.
So maybe it's time for him to take a break and focus more on his daughter.